delicious in here.
You know, Pumpkin, being out all night really worked up my appetite.
I am starving.
Did I hear someone's hungry? Well, just so happens I have some yummy barbecue that's ready to be devoured.
How did you know?
I love barbecue.
It's my favorite.
It's so good.
So tender.
Literally the best I've ever had.
I'm so glad you like it. I have plenty, and I don't